Today's tutorial will show you how to run regression in Excel. Open up your Excel worksheets. Now, you want to get the regression for this figure and this figure. To do that, click on an empty cell where you want to display your regression result. Then you input this formula equal to the slope function. You open your bracket, you select the first cell or whichever way you want it to be, a comma, and the second cell you want to find the regression for. Then you close your bracket and press enter. So this is the result for the regression of these two values. That is how you find regression or you run regression in Excel. To apply the answers to the other cell, you click on the displayed cell. At the bottom right of the cell, you double click and drag along the other cells, and the results automatically display here. So that's all for the video. Hope this video helps you. Make sure to give it a try and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye guys.